with Joe Ashton from AmSafe Bridport, and Joe can discuss a number of issues, including the problem that appears not to have been completely solved yet of lithium battery safety in air cargo. Joe, what is your reading of the issue, and how quickly do you think it can be solved?
The first question we get asked when people approach us regarding a fire containment cover, one of the first questions we get asked is, will it withstand a lithium battery fire? The answer is it hasn't been tested to withstand a lithium battery fire because there's no test that's currently in place.
No
international international standard to which you could test, and there's thousands of different types of lithium batteries. Where do you start? What combinations? So you're shooting in the dark effectively. That said, the FAA are planning, I understand, to undertake some lithium battery fire tests. Sure.
Are they consulting with you, with industry?
Yeah, we've been in discussion. Yes, we've been in discussion, not regarding the parameters, but for the use of fire containment covers to undertake the test. Yeah, we've been in discussions with the FAA.
Now, it's slightly mystifying that there is no international test standard in place, considering that there is an immense trade in batteries, and also batteries are being used, lithium batteries are being used as part of aircraft components,
sure,
particularly on the B787, for instance. Yeah. So it does strike me as being rather strange that there has been no testing yet. Mm-hmm. Based on the kind of product range that you produce, as well as a fire containment cover, are there any other products that you make that can help to mitigate the effects or the danger from
Primarily it's the fire containment cover, and I said it will not stop a sole lithium battery ignition that takes place on board an aircraft, but what it will do is it will mitigate the risk of a fire that started where the source is an individual lithium battery. This acts as an ignition source amongst a package of undeclared dangerous goods, for example, where an eBay shipper isn't aware of the dangerous goods regulations when they're shipping a package, and then this package may find its way onto a combined pallet of different types of luggages and flammables, which is typically a Class A fire, to which our fire containment cover has been tested, and that is where the biggest risk lies.
Now, the testing, sorry to interrupt, the testing has been undertaken in Europe and America,
it's been
in Europe?
Undertaken in North America, in independent test houses.
Are you looking to test it for European, or is the North American testing procedure that you've gone through enough to cover the European sector as well?
The TSO, when it gets published, which we hope is very soon, will initially be an FAA TSO. They'll take the lead, and then typically EASA will follow a short time after. So it makes sense for North American independent test houses to be involved, and the FAA to lead that.
Interesting.
Okay.